If we wanted to move x squared to the right too, we would have x minus 2 quantity squared. Now when I plug a 2 in for x, I would get 0. And then if I wanted to move it down 3, I would have x squared minus 3. And when you put the two together, we have x minus 2 quantity squared. That's moving us right 2, down 3. We thought about y equals the square root of x, and we wanted the same transformations. We would have y equals the square root of x minus 2. That's moving us right 2, because a 2 turns into 0, and then we would do minus 3 for the down 3 part. So our answer is A.